What's up? My name is Jamil Austin. I'm known for IllCustomz on Instagram. I'm going to show you guys how to do this on a black pair of Air Force Ones called the Illusions. It's a lot of work. I'll be glad to show you guys. First step, we're gonna start off by cutting off the Nike Swoosh. I'm basically getting under the thread and cutting the threads of the Nike sign. And once we have all the threads, we're gonna lift up the swoosh and remove it from the shoe. And then pluck all the threading out of the holes. Yeah, the influence of the design was just looking at a whole bunch of pictures at the Museum of Illusions. I just had an idea to mess with the Nike sign with an illusion effect, you know? So that's how I came up with this stencil, basically. It's only one of one stencil right here. We're gonna prepare the shoe for paint by adding the deglazer, cleaning the inside of the part you're gonna paint of the shoe. All right, the next step, we're gonna use our flat white and we're gonna start painting the inside of the swoosh so we can start getting our lines together. Okay, so the next step we're gonna do is add the lines to each angle so it could look like a three-dimensional shoe. All right, so the next step, what we're gonna do is add the shading in between each box. We're gonna get our flat black, so I add a little bit of white, and then I wanna start shading my paint into a darker color. So I'm gonna start with the light gray. And then we're gonna start working until getting our mixed dark color. All right, so next what we're gonna do is fill in the white part with blue and a little bit of white. And we're gonna add a little gradient so it can have that sky effect. We're gonna start off with a lighter scale. I like to start off with a lighter blue rather than dark, just to work our way up. I like to add a darker shade to the top part first. So I'm gonna start off with the blue. I'm gonna add a little bit of white After that, I'm gonna start shading in the white and the blue all together. Last but not least, we're gonna add our matte acrylic finisher to protect our paint from any blemishes or scratches. Okay, we're finally done with the customs, guys. I like how they turned out. You can follow me on Instagram at IllCustomz. You guys could like, comment, and subscribe on how you guys think these turned out. And that's it.